What up, though, internet? It's your boy Greg, the Tech God, back with another video. I was supposed to make a video. Oh, sorry, shaking the camera. I was supposed to make another video yesterday, actually. Today is Thursday. I was actually sick, and I couldn't make another video. I need to stop making that as an excuse. Most really successful people don't make excuses unless they're like in the bed and they just can't do anything. I mean, I was in the bed and I couldn't really do anything, but I mean, I could have done something. I mean, you should just, your expectations should be much higher than, you know, what other people think. So, with that being said, I wanted to start with a important topic when it comes to relating to programming. So I was supposed to show you guys an application, my Capstone application. It was supposed to be, it was a Laravel application. It was, so let me explain what the application was supposed to be. So we're making a basic yellow page app, and it was going to show businesses and phone numbers and address. You know, he was going to be able to type in a business, and then it was, or a type of business or a phone number, and it's supposed to just search through everything. So it goes through a MySQL database. Those who don't know what a MySQL database is just like a big spreadsheet that has a bunch of stuff in it, and you're supposed to be able to display it using, coding, PHP, JavaScript, just the basic programming stuff. So I was taking a tutorial. I'm not gonna say who I was taking the tutorial with, because I'm not trying to damage their reputation or cause harm to them anyway when it comes to their money. But it was, let's just say this, the project approach when it comes to like learning technologies, in my opinion, is really not the best way to learn something, because you end up knowing how to write, maybe, write a book without really writing your own type of book. So you write a book about, a fictional character that's, trying to save, I don't know, a princess of some sort or their family. Oh yeah, you can write similarities about that book, but if you don't know the structure of how character development, or how you want to show character interaction, or how you want to display dialogue, much like programming, if you don't know how to know the structure of programming, you're going to have a hard time creating your own applications, which I was running into. I was taking a course before this course I was taking. I'll actually mention this course. This course is I'll put the link in the description, but it's called, let me pull up the exact name of it. Okay, so the site is called killersites.com. It's their web design training. I actually bought both of their products. It's Python and as well as web design. I took it and I didn't really appreciate it as much, because I didn't go through their small projects that helped me. That was going to help me reinforce what I was going to learn. I just kind of just went straight to projects, and because I just went straight to projects instead of going through their mini projects to reinforce concepts, when I got to like a major project, it was like, oh my god, I don't know how to, translate this into knowledge that I know. This is I don't know what to do. Blah blah blah. Long story short, long long story short, one of my teammates, there's three of us, me and this other two guys. One of my teammates already had a built up project, so we're kind of good on that. I'm kind of filling in the documentation role instead of the coding role. We're kind of mingling the roles in our project, instead of just saying I'm the coder, he worked on the documentation, he's working on the tester. We're just trying to just get the shit out and get a good grade on it. So the important things I want you to take away from this video is you need to understand the fundamentals of programming. the fundamentals will help you either become a great novel writer or someone who just knows how to copy shit. For example, I hate to bring up these, hate to bring this up, but like if you look at like a lot of tech companies in China, China knows how to implement some shit. Like they know how to like take different aspects of like successful companies and then like expand it to like mega corporations. Like if you look at like Facebook Messenger, say if I'm putting in the comments here, I'm wrong about this. I know WeChat has like capabilities of like using payments and dating, and there's like other functionalities within the app that's just not a regular chat application. That's what I mean by implementation. If you don't have your own, if you're not be able to use your own creativity when it comes to programming, you're going to have a hard time being able to create your own stuff. So my recommendations is to always focus on the fundamentals of programming. I'm having to go back to this course to get my fundamentals right, to be able to create my own shit, because I may know the syntax, I may know how to tell you what this does and that. Well, I may know how to tell you what this does and what this for loop is doing and what this function is and what this array is doing, but I wouldn't be able to really create my own shit. I mean, that's like really important if you want to be like a software developer, to be able to take some knowledge and create your own stuff. It really is like writing. You have to be able to create your own stuff, but you need to know the structure of programming. For me, the structure of the web is knowing how to create HTML, knowing how to write HTML, knowing how to write CSS, knowing how to write JavaScript. The reason why I'm doing PHP, which is what you see in my last video, is most small, medium-sized companies use PHP. Now, if you want to talk about large corporations, that's another story. But, because I'm trying to be an entrepreneur, I'm focusing on small, medium-sized companies. Hell, even larger companies are still running PHP. I mean, it's kind of just like everywhere. But if you want to know the course, I'm going to put the link in the description. Like I said, take away from this video is this understanding the fundamentals of programming. It will help you a whole lot when you're trying to create your own stuff, because a lot of courses are just copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste. You will never understand programming if you just keep copy and pasting. So with that said, I see you guys later. I'll come back with another video. I don't know what I'm gonna make next week. If you have an idea on what you want to see from me, just put in the comment section. But I'll catch y'all later. I holla.